Let's open sea animal surprise eggs. What's in this big pink one? It's an eel! The giant moray eel can grow as long as 13 feet. What's in this big blue egg? It's a jellyfish! The lifespan of a lion's mane jellyfish is only 1 year. What's in this small orange egg? It's a pufferfish! Pufferfish typically lay around 6 eggs at a time. What's in this small yellow egg? It's an octopus! The giant Pacific octopus lives for between 3 to 5 years. What's in this big purple egg? It's a shark! Mako sharks can swim at up to 74 kilometers per hour. What's in this small purple egg? It's a flying fish! Flying fish can glide at up to 20 feet above the surface of the sea. What's in this small blue egg? It's a crab! Crabs have 10 legs with their claws on the front too. What's in this small purple egg? It's some fish! Some species of parrotfish have scales strong enough to stop a spear. What's in this small purple egg? It's a swordfish! Swordfish can swim at up to 50 miles per hour. What's in this small purple egg? It's a turtle! Leatherback sea turtles can live for up to 90 years. What's in this big green egg? It's a blobfish! Blobfish live at depths of between 2,000 to 3,900 feet. What's in this small green egg? It's a lionfish! Lionfish swallow their prey whole. What's in this small yellow egg? It's a starfish! The crown of thorn starfish has spines up to 4 centimeters long. What's in this small blue egg? It's a lemon shark! The average lifespan of a lemon shark is between 40 to 50 years. What's in this small orange egg? It's a starfish! There are around 2,000 species of starfish. What's in this big orange egg? It's a jellyfish! Box jellyfish have at least 24 eyes. What's in this small green egg? It's an anglerfish! Female anglerfish can live for up to 30 years. What's in this big yellow egg? It's an eagle ray! There are around 20 different species of eagle ray. Let's look at the other sea animals. Saltwater crocodile. Male saltwater crocodiles can weigh up to 1,000 kilograms. Turtle. Leatherback sea turtles can grow up to 2.7 meters long. Whale. The blue whale's tongue is about 18 feet long. Lobster! The American lobster can weigh over 44 pounds. Shark! The great white shark can swim at up to 56 kilometers per hour. Manta ray! Giant manta rays live for at least 45 years. Fiddler crab! The fiddler crab is also called the calling crab. The crown-of-thorns starfish can have up to 21 arms. Hermit crab! The hermit crab with the strongest pinch is the coconut crab. Shark! Sharks have been around for over 450 million years. The Japanese spider crab can live up to 100 years. Zebra shark! Zebra sharks can grow to almost 12 feet long. Whale shark! The whale shark is the largest fish in the world. Octopuses are closely related to clams and snails.